The drug simultaneously has an effective wound-healing, regenerating, bactericidal, analgesic, protective and softening effect, prevents infection, accelerates the healing of wounds, thermal, chemical burns, pustular skin lesions. Indications: psoriasis, pyoderma, staphylococcal and streptococcal, microbial eczema, dyshydrasis complicated by a secondary infection, solar, thermal, chemical burns and frostbite, bruises, wounds, cuts, abrasions, cracks, early and late radiation damage to the skin, trophic ulcers and bud sores, viral infection, herpes, woods, papillomas, acne vulgaris, diseases, nose, boils, psychosis, eczema, burns and traumatic injuries, external and middle ear, otitis media, otomycosis, removal of puffiness and itching of the skin of various origins, including insect bites, mosquitoes, wasps, bees, prophylactic protection of the skin from exposure to chemicals and aggressive environments, including detergents, fertilizers, solvents. Eplan is effective in similar diseases in pets. How to use: preventive protection of the skin from chemicals. The cream is evenly applied to the surface of the skin. The optimal effect is achieved when using the product twice a day, before and after work. The protective effect is created immediately after application and persists for a long time. Bruises, burns, small wounds, abrasions, and other skin lesions lubricate the damaged area, and as it absorbs and dries, the treatment is periodically repeated until complete healing. With significant damage, purulent wounds, ulcers, bud sores, burns, frostbite, a sterile gauze soaked in the drug is applied to the damaged surface and fixed with a light bandage. The wound is treated daily or every other day. Contraindications: hypersensitivity to individual components of the drug. Special instructions: Eplan can be used without restrictions for all age groups of the population. Eplan is practically harmless, has no contraindications to repeated and long-term use. Eplan does not leave greasy stains on linen and clothes, and thus does not create inconvenience in use. Eplan does not dry out and does not stick in the wound. Eplan passed a set of tests and studies at the country's leading medical institutes and was highly appreciated.